Star Infotech is India's leading value-added distributor and solutions provider in the network and security domain. We are specialists in enterprise and app security and application delivery. Our company is one of India's fastest-growing IT value-added distribution companies that has been introducing cutting-edge technologies to the market ever since its inception in 2005.
My name is Ashish Guha. I represent RH Infotech. I work here as the CEO. As most of you would be aware, RH Infotech is into value-added distribution around the security, infrastructure, and data management space. And we've been in existence for more than 15 years with a very strong growth year on year, and work very closely with some of the major OEMs and major partners and reseller community across the country, and a little bit of inroads into the international markets also. The core competencies that lie with us is offering the best-in-class IT solutions in the area of cybersecurity, data management, and digital infrastructure solutions. We do that by partnering with a number of OEMs across the country and across the globe. We represent them and bring them into the country in the respective domains that I mentioned earlier. However, what we are known and admired in the industry is for the value that we really bring into the overall solution offering when we are interacting with our partners and customers. And that's one of the key areas that really makes us stand out amongst most of the most of the distributors in the market today. For example, for the OEMs, we work hand in hand with them, each and every step. We really act as their extended arm in the country, be it looking out for the right kind of partners who will offer those solutions to the customers, looking at customers who are asking for the solutions from these OEMs, understanding the needs of the customer, ensuring that we align the requirements of the customer with the OEMs that we represent in the respective domains. And then not only limiting ourselves there, we go further by doing POCs, doing the solutioning for the clients, ensuring the technology that we represent satisfies the customer and the partner, and finally going and deploying and even offering post-deployment technical support to the customers and the partners that are really looking at it. So it's a complete end-to-end story that we have in terms of working with the OEMs. At the same time, we have a very strong customer-facing team. Again, they work with the end customers to identify the opportunities, the requirements of the customer, and they come back to look at what kind of OEMs will fit into that requirement or will be able to offer solutions in that environment. And then working with the partners, the SIs typically, who will be able to deliver and manage those clients. So that's the other area that from customer perspective, we do these activities. Third area, which is very important and very critical in all this area, is the partner ecosystem. We have a very strong partner ecosystem that we work very closely with. Again, working with the right kind of solution providers to ensure the partners get the right solutions for their clients. Training our partner ecosystem, ensuring that they have the right requisite technical know-how, technical understanding of the solutions that we have, and delivering it to the clients, and managing those clients post-delivery also. So we do a lot of certification training for our partners to enable them to be able to offer these solutions to their clients. I think from inception, I think RH was very, very clear that as the security of the border is very, very critical. Similarly, security of the country's digital infrastructure is equally important. Today, when you really look at it, the kinds of attacks are happening. It's not only in the border, but also into the digital infrastructure that the country has. So we were very, very clear from inception that our focus will always be on the holistic security framework of the country, for digital infrastructure, which is there, which includes the data, applications, and the network. And we've been very focused around the security, or the cybersecurity space that we really have. And today, if we are looking at the cybersecurity, we are seen as a cybersecurity leader from the distribution perspective, and we represent global technology OEMs as a partners over here. taking care of all the challenges and solutions the customers are facing or the partners are facing. We offer an end-to-end security solution to our customers, starting from endpoint to the perimeter and everything in between. So anything and everything that is required around the security domain, we cater to all those requirements. Besides that, we also have a very strong player in the data management space, which is data storage, backup, recovery, disaster management. Recently, you would have heard about our tie-ups with people like Hitachi Vantara, Veeam, and some of these players. So we've also expanded in that space. So other than security and network, we've made inroads into data storage, data management, disaster recovery, and have been offering these solutions to our partners. So these are some of the core areas or those key segments that we are really focusing on from the technology perspective. If I look at from the industry perspective, through our partners, we cater to each and every segment that is there. Though government, BFSI are our top customers or areas or segments that we are really focused on, and major revenue obviously comes from there because the requirement for the kind of solutions that we offer today is seen in a big way in these two segments majorly. But that doesn't mean the other areas like manufacturing vertical, we've got some great inroads coming in there, and the focus around some of these other verticals is also very strong from our end. Next normal, sometimes it really feels what do you really mean by the next normal, because I think we are now used to this for the last 9 months and this has become normal for us. But yes, COVID-19 is just a 1-year-old phenomenon for not even 1 year now, right? But obviously that has really made sure that we try to understand how this is going to impact the overall functioning and overall working for all of us. And obviously it's going to affect us for a few decades, a few years, if not a decade or two, so, but what it has made people realize is the importance of technology and how technology has become a savior, has come into play in a big way during this pandemic, right? So from the B2B, which is the business that we typically are in, we thought this is going to be affected, but I guess every business has got affected. Schools, kudos to the teachers who are offering classes over the net. They have to learn new things, and again, technology was in forefront. So a lot of stuff around that space will happen. So the next normal, I believe, would be around optimizing resources using technology, building a robust IT infrastructure and communication infrastructure, which is going to be very, very critical, and encompassing all these solutions infrastructure will be very, very for effective security, with an effective security framework, ensuring that everything is delivered, is offered, is available, but also secure, which is very, very critical, because the challenges that we face with everything opening up, people moving from in-office to outside office and working remotely, security challenges have only increased. So I feel this is going to be very, very critical from our perspective, and that's what we're going to be doing. Our GTM will be based on all that. We would be using, and we will continue to leverage the UC and the collaboration solutions to reach out to our customers, partners with more technology OEMs, making sure that we have the right kind of technology solutions to offer this remote support that would be required, or remote services that would be required. And that will enable to strengthen our product portfolio also. So right now, if you look at it, security, data management is obviously very critical. At the same time now, using collaboration tools, using UC solutions, adding that to our portfolio would be very critical. And then encompassing all these technologies together will be our endeavor to offer to our clients and our partners, and to provide what more and more value add around this space, not only from product or solution perspective, but also from training and development and support perspective, which is more of a technical support that some of these people would be required.